Hello, friends. Satellite images show that Russian equipment is being partially withdrawn from the Crimea, and lists are being compiled in the Zaporozhye and Kherson regions who need to be evacuated first. We haven't even really started anything yet, and the evacuation lists have already been prepared. Kaliningrad is the apartment of a real patriot. Get some air. This is Kaliningrad. 2 kilometers from the city center. Biden is not here. Apparently Johnson did his best here. And this, apparently, was poured by Scholz. Let's go in. The smell, of course, you understand. If anything, the last time the British aviation did repairs here was in the 45th year. So apparently, after all, the British Johnson say he wants to become Prime Minister again. God forbid, he will finish this monastery completely. Glory to Putin. 160-centimeter glory. In Cheboksary, an elusive avenger has wound up, who smears cars with feces with the letter B. The author writes, "This is not the first time." In March, the letter Z was painted on the hood.
Автор пишет, это уже не первый раз. В марте букву Z рисовали на капоте.
Residents of the city ask not to remain indifferent and reminds that whoever erases the letter B will receive a fine and an article for discrediting the army. Visiting Muslims from Uzbekistan, and are recruited for the war with Ukraine right in the mosque. In exchange, they offer a Russian passport. These criminal actions today, who signs a contract for citizenship, accelerates. And you have to wait 5 years to get the action. Or a special one for 6 months. And until the end of April, the promotion is also valid. A ticket to the Kobzon concert as a gift. Joseph Prigozhin had a sharp jump in blood pressure yesterday. The ambulance arrived. Prigozhin stared at the nurse's face for a long time, trying to determine whether it was a nurse or a disguised FSB officer. I finally said, "No, I'm not going to the hospital with you, I still want to live." 2023 year. Primorai. Innovative delivery. There are no analogs. Today, by the way, is the 8th of April. Exactly 60 years ago, Sergei Pavlovich Korolev said everything. We are ready to be the first to launch a seagull into space.
The 6th of April, 2023, the city of Kostroma. So this center is the very heart of the city center. This is Ostrovsky Street, 13. Our city is the regional center. The population is about 280,000 people. And here we are right away, literally 100 meters from the historical part, we get to such a wonderful place. Here, according to the cancer with a sagging porch, it means that such sheds have collapsed. It's just a real dump. But I know what it's all about. This is done so that NATO does not capture us and so that they cannot take anything for themselves here. And of course, the classic of the genre is a locked toilet. That is, here it is a house, and here is a toilet, and it's definitely a toilet because the smell here is disgusting. This is a small, very small town with a population of about 45,000 people. A decaying town. 1,600 kilometers from the capital. I went out for a walk with my dog in our decaying city. Here people also walk with dogs. If you look closely, you can see bags in your hands, because there is such a rule here, everyone comes out with bags when they walk with their pets. I'm asking myself one question. That's what these people did. What did they deserve for such a life? Please tell me, why is it so clean here? Why do people live in such conditions, old people? After all, mostly there are pensioners here. No fences for you, no fences. Everything is open, visible. Every Thursday, a garbage truck arrives and people take out containers, put them near houses. On Thursday, the garbage truck pulls up and picks up the garbage. Such a system. You feel that it seems that these people are missing something. Now I would like to go and grab someone.
Oh, look, the American is insatiable. He leaned on his pickup truck, making insidious plans to seize this Kostroma toilet as soon as possible.